Just like we had prepared total creditors account and total debtors account to calculate credit purchases and credit sales, we can prepare total bills receivable account and total bills payable account to calculate bills receivable that we have received during the year and bills payable issued to creditors during the year. Now students, the format of total bill receivable account is presented here. Balance brought down here represents opening balance, and balance carried down here represents closing balance. Then amount received on account of bills receivable would be recorded as bank or cash to bills receivable. So on the credit side, either by bank or by cash, that is the amount received during the year. And in case any bill has been dishonored during the year, then by debtors, because the liability of the debtor stands restored now. Once we have made these entries, we will balance it out from the total of the credit side, subtract the total of the debit side to get to sundry debtors, and this amount represents bills receivable received during the year. So it's clearly mentioned here, bills received during the year, and this amount is sometimes used in sundry debtors account or total debtors account. On the same lines, bills payable account is here. This balance brought down represents opening balance, and this balance carried down represents closing balance. To bank here represents amount paid during the year. To creditors here represent any amount of bills payable that has been dishonored during the year. So creditors, because the liability is again payable to creditors. Once these postings have been made, total it out, and the balancing figure would be by sundry creditors. This would be bills payable issued during the year, and remember it is balancing figure, and here in this case this is the balancing figure. Now all these balances that we have calculated now, that is credit sale, credit purchase, bills receivable, bills payable, and other missing figures that we had discussed earlier, can now be used to calculate or prepare trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet of the firm.